Hey YouTube. So I just want to post this quick little uh, video of me doing some shopping in the Joann's craft store. I actually went there looking for some fabric to make a curtain for my room. I am in the section where there's like mostly solids. Well, not mostly solids, but I was looking for solid colors um, and trying to get a really good deal. Joann's, they had a deal 40% off of any non-sale fabric. So I pretty much was looking for something that I could, get as much of a deal as I could. So I ended up picking up this Symphony all black fabric. I think this one was $4.99 a yard, and I think it was on sale for 30% off. Um, so I was thinking of getting that one for the not the lining for the curtain, but to double the curtain so my room could stay dark. So yeah, I'm just looking for something simple but still cute to use in my room as a curtain. My room is dark blue. I'm trying to stick with that kind of theme, the blues, turquoises, and things like that. So of the fabrics, um, they have some nice things in there. This one that I was looking at, I actually really liked it, how abstract it looked. The green and the blue and then the white outline of the colors was really cute to me. I thought that would look really nice in my room since my room is dark blue. So I just went ahead and picked up that one. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm just showing you guys some more of the store. Got some more fabric. This is the quilting section for your tools and stuff. This right here to my right is the trim. And then right now I'm just basically looking for the clearance section. I need some sales. So this particular Joann's I went to, I don't, I won't say I don't normally go to it, but I just started going to it as of like a couple months ago. I normally go to the Joann's that's closer to me, but this Joann's didn't really have much, I'll be honest. Like, a lot of the stuff was just kind of thrown together. I couldn't really tell what was on sale, what wasn't on sale. It wasn't really any fabric, like not fabric, but like cloth fabric that I can use. A lot of the fabric that was on sale was either like fabric for like outdoor use, or a lot of like flannel type of fabric, which I wasn't looking for flannel. So I kind of was disappointed with the clearance section of this particular Joann's. I went there hoping to find a deal, but I didn't get a chance to find anything. My local Joann's, actually, they have like a really huge section of clearance items, and a variety. It's not just cloth, and it's not just, cotton, and it's not just flannel. It's, as you can see, I am walking to go get my fabric cut. So basically, you just go to the cutting counter area, you get a number, and you just wait for them to call you. So this Joann's is normally pretty slow and pretty empty. That's probably one of the main reasons why I go out my way to go to the Joanns. But yeah, I didn't really like their fabric selection that much. This section, you know, where all the character fabric is, I'm just kind of looking at some stuff that I can make for my daughter. Um, you know, there's some things in here I haven't seen, so that's pretty cool. This actually is one of my favorite sections to go to in Joann's period, doesn't matter which one. um, so still waiting. I am, yeah, it's really empty. It's very empty. I actually used to work at Joann's, the one closer to my house, and it was always lit, like all the time. It was barely any downtime. So this Joann's is actually, I don't know if it's because it's like kind of in the cut. Like